How to fix your iPhone turning off itself after opening certain applications. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such problem whenever you are opening your some kind of applications and your iPhone suddenly turns off or to get back to lock screen, so that might be case caused due to the automation. So first thing what you want to do is to disable that. Simply head over to your search bar and simply search in for shortcuts application on your iPhone, and all you have to do is just click on this automation, and as you can see I've already enabled the lock app, so it's obviously gonna lock my screen whenever I perform certain activities such as opening certain applications. So in this automated section, just head over to it, and as you can see I've created one automation that is whenever my Google Photos is opened, it does certain activities, certain action, that is lock app. So now to simply disable it, you can just tap on this and simply come over here and just disable or deselect the particular operation. So once you disable it just like this, you should be no longer having any problem regarding iPhone screen turning off to lock screen whenever you open certain applications. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.